Oculus Go is a standalone VR headset that doesn't require any other devices to experience virtual reality. Let's get to the unboxing of the Oculus Go. The headset comes packed in this box. Opening this box, you will see the VR headset neatly placed along with the controller. There is a small box that has an eyeglass spacer for those who wear prescription glasses, a battery for the controller, charging adapter with a cable and a lanyard. The VR headset has been designed using foam and breathable fabrics that make it comfortable to wear and also durable. The Oculus Go requires the Oculus Companion app, which is available both for Android and iOS phones. So that was a quick look at the Oculus Go. Thanks for watching this video.